Hi, welcome to the Everyone Chanel YouTube Car Grass, introducing the 2025 Kia Carnival, a harmonious blend of sophisticated design, luxurious comfort, and dynamic performance. Let's delve into what makes this multi-purpose vehicle a standout choice for families and adventurers alike. Narrator. The 2025 Carnival showcases Kia's Opposites United design philosophy, featuring a bold front fascia with redesigned LED headlights and a distinctive grille. Its elongated body and sculpted lines exude a commanding presence on the road. Narrator. Step inside to experience a cabin where comfort meets cutting-edge technology. The revamped interior boasts a spacious 3-row seating configuration, accommodating up to 8 passengers with ease. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an inviting atmosphere for both driver and passengers. Narrator. At the heart of the dashboard lies a state-of-the-art infotainment system, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. With user-friendly interfaces and connectivity options, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Narrator. The Carnival's interior adapts to your needs, offering versatile seating arrangements and ample cargo space. Whether it's a family road trip or transporting bulky items, the Carnival provides the flexibility to handle it all. Narrator. Under the hood, the 2025 Carnival offers 2 robust powertrain options. The standard 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 287 horsepower, ensuring a responsive and engaging driving experience. For those seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, the newly introduced hybrid variant combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 242 horsepower and an impressive 271 lb featuring of torque. This hybrid model achieves an EPA estimated 33 mpg combined, offering a total driving range of approximately 627 mil. Narrator. The hybrid system not only enhances fuel efficiency but also provides a smooth and quiet ride, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. Narrator. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Carnival, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like high beam assist, heated power folding side mirrors with LED turn signals, and privacy glass enhance both safety. Narrator. In summary, the 2025 Kia Carnival seamlessly blends style, versatility, and performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Carnival is designed to meet the diverse needs of modern families. Narrator. Experience the 2025 Kia Carnival, where every journey becomes an inspiring adventure. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Kia Carnival, check out this detailed review.